Welcome to JH. In this guide, we'll cover how to modify your LinkedIn profile's cover photo. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it now. Start by heading to your profile icon and selecting View Profile. Once your page loads, you'll see your current banner at the top. Locate the pencil icon in the upper right corner of the banner and select Edit Cover Image. In the editing window, use the slider to zoom in or out by dragging it horizontally. You can also adjust the alignment or rotation using the straightening tool. After making those tweaks, click on Filters to choose a style you prefer. You can further customize the look by adjusting settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation. When you're satisfied, you can either swap the image by clicking Change Photo or save your edits by hitting Apply. Thanks for following along. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.